The planned divestment of BPCL and LIC would have been the golden goose for the centre, meeting a major portion of its 2.1 lakh crore divestment target. The COVID-19 pandemic has derailed the process. So far, the centre has received only 3% of the ambitious target this fiscal, set on the back of planned privatization of key PSUs, including the listing of Life Insurance Corporation of India. But the process is not expected to be completed this fiscal. In the first half of FY21, the government has raised Rs 5,695 crore from offers for sale. The government offered a 15% stake in Hindustan Aeronautics via offer for sale. The government held over 89% stake in HAL. The other was Bharat Dynamics Limited. Tuhin Kanta Pandey, Secretary in the Department of Investment and Public Asset Management, told Moneycontrol in an exclusive interview that the government is trying its best to complete the privatization of Shipping Corporation, Concor Limited, Bharat Earth Movers and Central Electronics before March 31st. Mazgaon Dock Shipbuilders IPO was successful. Next in line is the plan to sell 27% in Railtel Corporation and around 20 to 25% in Indian Railways Finance Corporation. The centre might sell about 15% stake in IRCTC via offer for sale to raise about Rs 3,200 crore. As the objective of the issue is to disinvest government stake, the company will not receive any proceeds from the offer. An IPO of WAPCOS may happen if everything is in order, according to Pandey. For Shipping Corporation, the EOI is at an advanced stage for the centre's 63.75% share, and the process might conclude by November. Bids are shortly expected for 54% stake in BEML. Strategic sales in BPCL, Container Corporation and IDBI Bank are also expected to be executed this fiscal. Bharat Petroleum remains the brightest and the most attractive prospect. For the fifth time, the submission of expression of interest for Bharat Petroleum Corporation has been pushed back. With half of the year already over, the centre is now making a determined effort to sell 52.98% stake in BPCL. The new submission deadline for potential bidders of BPCL is November 16th. Expressions of interest for 30.8% stake in Concor are expected to be invited soon. The government can invite bids for its 47% stake in IDBI Bank, where LIC holds 51% stake. Strategic sales of Pawan Hans and Central Electronics might also be fast-tracked. The government will make another attempt at selling some subsidiaries of Air India. Pandey also added that it has been decided to not offer any more tranches of the two equity exchange traded funds comprising PSU stocks, and that the centre has very limited bandwidth to continue supporting Air India. Reports also point at the possibility of PSU-to-PSU acquisitions. In July, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman had said that the government is working on completing the stake sale process of about 23 public sector companies whose divestment has already been cleared by the cabinet. The centre plans to sell 10% stake in Mishra Dhatu Nigam via OFS. Central public sector enterprises including Coal India and Kudremukh Iron Ore Company are expected to buy back shares from the government and other shareholders by March 31, 2021 as per reports. The expression of interest of Neelachal Ispat Nigam Limited is expected soon. It is a joint venture of 6 companies, 4 central PSUs and 2 Odisha state PSUs, which is being pushed to conclude before March 31st. The centre also hopes to divest the Salem and Bhadravati steel plants of SAIL Limited as per the DIPAM secretary.